Hello, welcome to this tutorial on how to modify Vrikshasana, your tree posture. Often it is the balance that is an issue for people. Tree posture starting with your feet slightly separated or even together, taking the hands to the hips and finding the big toe, little toe, inner heel, outer heel press down. Let's take the weight onto the right leg and to come up onto the toes of the left foot. First of all, you could simply open the knee out to the side and therefore rest the heel on somewhere around the ankle, still keeping your toes down to the floor. You could also do this on a brick, giving you a little bit more height and perhaps a little bit more opening into the knee and the hip, but still keeping that balance going. Nothing prevents you from taking it on its second height or even the top height. You could also come up, open out to the side, have the foot onto the lower end of the leg. Have it around the knee, and if you do, and this is usually where I stand, it's the heel that presses above the knee, not onto the knee joint, that's going to push the knee joint out of place. If you have the flexibility to take the foot to the inside of the thigh, then ideally try not to have the hand holding it. I'm not able to, often it just wants to slide back. So here, now that you've got the legs, the leg placement, find your gaze, your drishti to a fixed point. This often helps. This helps by allowing the focus to be there. The big toe mound of that standing foot, often it just wants to lift. So again, you're pressing it down to the floor. Now you're left with the arms. Well, as you may have noticed in nature, there are so many different types of trees. It could well be that you could have your arms out to the side, palms turned up, and then lift the arms up above the head, leaving space between the ears and the shoulders. Or you could have the palms together. You could interlace the fingers and just point the index fingers up. Or you could have the hands in towards the chest. You could gaze down towards your fingertips. This might be helpful at first. You could be a little bit of a whipping willow, but really just with the hands, not with the chest. Or you could have the hands onto your lower back. You could be a stump, if you like. As long as there is the length and the openness and the knee opening out to the side, you can take any tree that you see fit. Namaste.